I'm going to be making my locks from crochet faux locks braids, and as you can see, I've just sectioned my hair. I brought out this in front and round like behind as well, as you can see. So everything I brought out, I put it in flat twists. I put this in flat twists. I'm going to put this one now in flat twists. Then I'm going to keep it aside. Yeah, so twist, twist, twist. Doing my flat twist. Yeah. I'll do a video soon on flat twist. I'm going to go ahead and dampen my hair. Dampen it, and then I'm going to weave this all back in cornrows, like all back. So that's it. I'm just going to spray water and a little conditioner all over my hair. So I have water on my hair and leave-in conditioner to soften it. And then I'll go ahead to weave my hair. I was using the other hand to feel the line behind to know where I need to cut. And you can call someone else to help you out. Well, since you can't see your back while you're weaving. You want to make sure your hair is really moisturized before you do this, because our 4C hair type can be dramatic, especially when it has to do with taking longer time to make your hair. Always make sure your hair is damp. A girl's gotta take a break, bro. So if you can't do your weaving yourself, then you can go to a salon and ask them to help you weave your hair. Then go ahead and tack the hair, each strand going up, just to hide the excess hair dropping from your cornrows. I applied gel or edge control to the edges to make it firm and strong. Someone should tell me to stop chewing gum while filming. So I have my crochet pin here. I'll open it up and I'll put it in underneath the hair, and I'll do this, close it up, pull, release the hair, and it's dropped. So I've just fixed this, and then I have to pull my hair through it like this. You can start doing it little by little so you don't feel You need to do this in beats, like I said, and you need to be extra careful. Pull the hair from exactly where the crochet is coming out. Meanwhile, you need to be cautious of where the hair is to be able to know where to fix the crochet. So it's right on it, and then you grab it and you pull. You grab it, lock, and you pull. You keep doing this. This part is quite easy, so I decided to do the difficult part, the one I did round, before doing the whole middle, you know. Start off fixing the middle part scanty, and then you gradually start filling up spaces to make sure you don't have a hair that is too full or you don't run out of locks. So loves, I'm done installing. I have 4 packs of this hair on my head. 4 packs, and it's so perfect. After applying the leave-in conditioner, going to use carrot oil. I just bought it in the market. It's like 500 naira. I got my edges brush from Hair Care and More. I'll be leaving their Instagram handle down in the description box. And I got this edge control from Jomena Braids. I'm also going to leave her handle down, so if you want the edge control, you can contact her. And I'm done. Thank you so much, guys. Look at this fine girl. Oshay, come on, man. Slaying time. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much for watching. This is the end of the video. I love you guys. See you in my next video.